Okay. Alright, y'all, so I'm getting ready to start cooking. Huh? Oh, well, I'm going to actually set it on top of the, I'm about to set it on top of this thing. I got to make me some dishwater, y'all, because I got a few dishes I need to get out of the way. How to make good, fresh dishwater. Which everybody know how to do, unless you're a teenager and you just starting out on your own. You use hot water. I use hot water, y'all. Okay? Only hot water. And what I do, hot water, hot as I can stand it. I take, hold on. Takes a little bit of Clorox. About a lid full of Clorox. Well, 2 lids full of Clorox. I'm the Clorox queen. Then I take my Gain detergent. Or whatever. I use Dawn too. Actually, I need to get me some Dawn. Yeah, I use a lot because I like to see suds. And I sprinkle that around. Put my little dishes in here. Whatever I got to wash. I'll get my pots in a minute. Huh? Mukbang. Oh yeah, you like watching them? Go to Lady T Sensation. That's my friend on there. She do them. You'll like hers too. Okay then. But yeah, you check Lady T out too. She's real. I love her conversation she be having. But she make them too. But I'll look at it. What's his name? You remember? Huh? Jasper something. Alright, y'all. So I'm washing up these dishes right quick. I ain't got but a few. Because it's just me. Washing up my dishes really quick. Oh, I need to get me a towel and sit over here. I might move that camera over there. Okay. I don't know how to pause that video. Let me see. Oh. You get it to work, Shalonda? Okay. All right, y'all. So, I'm going to put this thing together, honey. Get my pots and stuff washed. I need to look at that thing and figure out how to pause this. I hate to make a whole long video. It's Tuesday morning. Lord, I need an onion. I should call you and tell you to bring me an onion. But you right here by the grocery store. What you say you got to go do today? I was going grocery shopping. Yeah, it's still recording. Alright, y'all, let me turn my stove on right quick. And y'all know, let's see, this is the front one right here. Since the storm and stuff came, I don't use the water to cook with. I wash my dishes with and I wash with it, but I don't trust this water, honey. They tell us the water's safe, and then 5 months later you start growing an extra head. The water was bad. And then they say we apologize and send you a $5 coupon in the mail to go get you a bucket of water. And you got 2 heads now. Huh? Say what? Oh yeah. If you or your family member has been drinking the water, city or county water, and now has woke up with a second head, we do apologize. Yeah, call. Say what? Yeah, call 1-800-OUR-BAD. And make sure you put your discount code in so you can pick up your $5.99 coupon to get you a bucket of the Dasani water. And that's what they're going to tell us, honey. So, y'all, I'm getting ready to cook these beef ribs. Rinse my meat. And I only got, well, I think it's enough for me because it's just me only about one with 3 in the little pack, child. But once they get soft and stuff and cooked, I think somebody told me one time before when I cooked these not to boil my meat. But anyway, y'all, I got my little water go. Well, I am. What I do first is I rinse this meat off. What I do first is I boil it, and then I bake it. Okay, I think you say that ain't even big enough. So I'm gonna let that get in there, y'all, and let that get to boiling. And I'm gonna, let's see, I'm gonna make me a small pan of this, just a small pan of macaroni and cheese. So anyway, I'm gonna upload this video here, y'all, but I'm gonna come back and finish everything. Well, I gotta find out how to pause my videos. But anywho, you fix the sink. It's just doing the same thing?
No.
Oh, you did what he told you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, y'all. So I'll be okay. Well, just let it go ahead then. I'll be back, y'all.